the length of this sleeve we're working with is 22 inches, okay? And so for the upper part, the length here is 11 inches, that is including the sewing allowance, okay? And the width here is 8.5 inches, including the sewing allowance on the side, okay? So this is the material I'll be attaching to the lace fabric, and this is the lining also. And so this is the remaining material that will be for the lower part, okay? So it's on fold, and the length I'm having here is 13 inches, and then the width here is 22 inches, and remember it's on fold, so 22 plus 22, that will give me 44 inches, okay? And then the lining I have here, the length is also 13, and the width I'm having for the lining is 19 inches, okay? So the first thing we'll do is I'll take this to the machine, okay, and stitch and sew a loose thread on one of the edges here, okay, and then gather this up. I have gathered this up to 17 inches, okay? .17 inches. And so the next thing I'll do, I'll bring the lining like so, and then I will place this on it like so, okay? Then I'll head over to the machine and sew straight. So this is what we'll have, okay? So the next thing we'll do is I'll bring this material like so. I'm on the right side. I'll be placing the lace material on it like so. So the wrong side of the lace material is on the right side of this material, okay? Then I'll bring this, please pay attention, I'll place it on top like so, okay? So right side facing each other. Then I will bring my lining also for the upper part and place like so, okay? Then I will secure with my pin. I'll head over to the machine, run a stitch like so, okay? So guys, this is what we'll have, okay? Next thing we'll do, I'll take this over to the machine. I'll sew round the armhole. I'll sew one of this edge here. So guys, this is what we have. I've sewn the edges, okay? I only left one part with the lower part open. So the next thing I'll do is I will hold one end of the fabric and the lining, turn it over to the wrong side, and then secure with my pin. Then hold the remaining part of the fabric and turn over to the wrong side as well. You can see how I'm turning that over to the wrong side. Then after which I'll be holding the other end of the fabric, connecting it with the lining. All right, then I'll be gathering everything up to give me 10 inches. The round measurement at the lower part of this sleeve is 9 inches, but I'll be gathering everything up, the material and the lining, to give me 10 inches. So this is what we'll have. So I'll just turn this way. Can you see? So the next thing I'll do, I'll just run a stitch like so, then shape the sleeve. So at the end of the day, we'll be having something like this. So guys, with this we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.